Good day, guys. Let me show you how easy it is to fix MP3 charging port. As you can see, this is the new charging port I'm putting back now. Very easily. Just take your time and solder it. After everything, make sure you gum it. Make sure you buy 4-minute gum. Gum it very well so it will not fall off. If not, it will still fall off, because that's what normally happens when you finish fixing MP3 charging port. It will still fall off. So guys, watch carefully. Just connected the positive legs and this side is the negative legs. Very easily. Just look at how easy it is. Guys, like my video, share my video and comment. Anything you have to ask me, you can drop it on the comment section. Any problem you want me to fix, anything you want to ask me, drop it on the comment section. Let me test it. I'm almost done. Let me test it so you will see how clean it is. Look at it. It's working perfectly. It's turning on. Let me put the battery so you can see how it's working perfectly. Okay, look at it. That's the charging light. See you in my next video.